Welcome. In this video today I have a laptop which is installed. It has a hard drive and RAM and everything, but unfortunately this laptop don't have a Windows installed in it. Somehow it's been crashed. So I like to show you how you can use your external hard drive, pre-install hard drive, and how to boot into that laptop. So for do that you will need a one external hard drive, pre-installed hard drive, as you can see, which is has Windows on it, and one USB cable to connect your laptop. This is the USB connection you will need to connect to your laptop. As you turn it on, you need to press F1 from your keyboard, then you'll get this screen. As you see from the top menu, you need to go on the startup and it will show you boot. Come up into the boot priority order. From the list you need to select USB HDD Intel, so that's what we're connecting from the USB. Shift plus tab from your keyboard.
Yep, and then you need to shut the screen. I'm shifting it. So basically this then shifts it to the top. So it's the top of the priority list.
You need to bring to the top priority USB hard drive.
And you press F10.
And then now you have to press F10 from your keyboard.
And you'll say the same.
And it will show you set of configuration, save, configuration, change and exit. You need to press yes.
Right. So you just press enter.
Press enter from your keyboard. Now it will load up your Windows from a USB or from external hard drive. There you go. This is how you use your external USB hard drive to boot your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe the channel.